Today we are going to do my daughter's hair. She had it in 2 pigtails and in this braid for protective style. And the products we're going to use today are the clay mask with some apple cider vinegar.
Mama, could I mix it?
And then we are going to deep condition it with, I'm going to deep condition it with this jojoba oil moisturizing treatment. And that'll be it. We'll use this as our shampoo. So, stick around. What did these people do to comb? Here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and mix the apple cider vinegar and the clay mask. Okay, I am wearing clothes. I have a dress on that doesn't have any straps. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix the apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna take about, let's see, about a cup of it. Okay. And then, okay, come on out. And it says equal parts. So I have this raw apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna mix it. Let me see. Let me just make sure it's wet enough. A little more. It's too hot.
No, I just turned it.
Okay.
A little bit. I squeezed some water out of it.
When you're mixing this, make sure you're not using anything metal. So I have a ceramic bowl and a baby spoon, baby plastic spoon, because the metal will deactivate the healing properties of the mask. So, and so the consistency that I look for is going to be about the same consistency as what I would use for a deep conditioner.
Okay, is it enough now?
Yep. Do a little bit more apple cider vinegar. Alright, and so it's kind of like a whipped consistency.
Rising your hair too long, will it get stuck in it?
No. I'm going to section your hair into 4 equal sections. And so, we've been on a journey to get her hair back hydrated because since last summer, it hasn't quite been the most hydrated. We did like a lot of swimming at the pool, and so I've tried it on my hair and it worked, so I'm crossing my fingers that it will work on her hair. My hair is a little bit more,
hopefully
I have a type 4. What was I saying? Oh, I have a type 4 hair curl, like type 4A and B, and she's C. So it worked on mine. I'm just going to take a good bit of it and just put it in her hair. And then if there's some left over, you want a face mask, little mama?
Yeah.
Happy about that. Self-care. Got to teach them while they're young, guys. Got to teach them while they're young.
I don't have no bumps on my face. Will it help get bumps off your face?
I suppose so.
And it helps, and it makes your face feel fresh.
about, I think, longer than we really want. But I'm going to go ahead and have her get in the shower, wash all this off. Look, you've been picking at it, boo. I had to go to the store and get some stuff for dinner, and then we'll see how this turned out. All right, boo. Let's go. Alright, first you're going to need to wash your face. Don't scratch it, you rub it. Go ahead and rub. So she's finishing like the last little bit out, and I'm going to go ahead and deep condition it while she's in the shower. This is the style that I'm going for Jessie's hair, and the hair was only $10 a pack. So I got the Expression Twisted Up hair, and it was $10, and I got it in the color 2. And it looks like there's 3 bundles or 3 times the hair. I guess it's not bundled up. Let's see. Oh yeah, no, it's not bundled up. But oh yeah, it's 3 bundles in here. I ended up getting 2 packs because I wasn't sure how much hair I was going to end up using, but if it works out, I'll just have hair for the next time I style it. And so I got this little beauty supply store haul. I got some leave-in conditioner by Design Essentials, and then I also purchased some Shine and Jam Super Hold. And the method that I'm going to use is going to be the crochet method. So I'm going to part her hair, braid it down about 1 inch, crochet the hair through, and then twist the hair as I go down. So we'll see how that goes. Alright, so her hair is washed. She says it feels very soft. I think it feels softer too. I'm going to section her hair in 4 parts, and then I'm going to use this as our heat protectant. And then we'll come back and I'll show you. I'll try to show you how listen, y'all, I'm a kitchen beautician. So I can show you better than I can tell you, I guess. But yeah, we about to get these braids up in her hair so that she can get her helmet on and off quicker and smoother.
And it doesn't have to hurt.
This is the final product. I'm really happy with how they turned out. They turned out thicker than the tutorial, but this was appropriate for her age, and the length was on par. How do you think I did?